Hi everyone, Deb here. I'm here with a small combined haul because some of the things are just one item. But I do have a small, I went to Stampin' Up! On their free shipping day, which was December 14th. And I didn't find a whole lot that I liked, but there was a few things I needed and a couple things I liked. So I got another glue and another dimensionals. I love their dimensionals. They're my favorite out of, but I do have some from other places. So once these and the other ones I have from Stampin' Up! Are gone, I really need to use what I have from other places, whether or not I really like them. Like I have some from Paper Studio and probably, I don't even know. Anyway, and then I did get a shaded spruce and a new bone and bronze. I like these, and mine are getting pretty used up on those. And on this one, my dark, the I don't remember if it was the brush tip or this because I threw it out, but it got like this whole part was stuck in the lid, and I could not get it out no matter how hard I tried. So like this one opens just fine. And I think the other end was kind of almost all gone, so I got a new shaded spruce. Those are the alcohol markers for Stampin' Up! And then next, this was, I think, on clearance. Cheery Patterns embossing folders. These are the little ones that fit in the mini machine, but you can use them in the big machine too. I forget about the mini sometimes because my big one is right behind me and it's very convenient. So it just has wavy lines, which you could use for water or like a breeze or whatever. And bubbles, you can use for anything. So these are nice for any purpose, and I didn't have these before. I'm not sure why I didn't buy them before, but I didn't. So I'm pretty sure those were on clearance or on last chance. I'm not sure which. This, I think, was an online only. I'm not positive about that either. It's adhesive backed dragonflies and birds. And they're like remember the butterflies? Um, and I really love the butterflies, so I thought I'd probably really love these too. I'm trying to find the butterflies. Is this them? No. Anyway, they're similar in nature. Here they are. The butterflies, they're like a brushed brass. These look a little bit shinier. They look more gold than these look more brass, but they're thin and they're flat, and I think they'll be great for embellishments. So I got those. I really should have got two. Now these I already have, but I like using Memories and More cards and envelopes because they're 4x6 cards and 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, and these were texture chic, which I do have that set also, but it has this sort of a neutrally wood grain with some, I think, I don't know, like yellows and grays and gold and stuff in it. And you get 20 cards. I think you get 20 cards and 20 envelopes. I don't see, it just says one kit on here, but I'm pretty sure that's right. And then the envelopes have gold foiling. I'm not going to take them out because I have a pack of these open already, but I love the size of those. I've really been into 5x7 cards lately too, but 4x6 is a nice in between, A2 and the A7, which is 5x7. And I really like them. Plus, if you have Memories and More cards, or what did they used to call them? I can't remember. There's another name for that outside of Stampin' Up, and they work on here too. So yeah, love them. And then I wasn't sure about this, but I decided to get it because it was really discounted. This is like a last chance thing or something, or it was on sale. Anyway, I remember a demonstrator, I think her name is Barb Stamps, had used this, and she made a really cute card with this thermos. Now, my dad used to take a thermos because he was a carpenter contractor, and I think my son's father used to as well when he was in manufacturing, and put his coffee in there. Now, my son just takes one of those insulated coffee mugs and takes coffee, which lasts him several hours at work. But I thought this would make cute cards, and it's got like this scenery to put on on the thermos, or a rainbow, or this scene with the trees. I like that one. Those two. I like the sceneries, or sunshine, or flowers, or this kind of oh, the old-fashioned. We used to have a picnic canister. It was like a big round bin, and it was tan and red and black, I think, and it was this design when I was young. And then the dies that go with it, I think these were like 9.80 or 9.60 each. I'm not exactly sure. Well, actually, I can probably tell you. One moment, please. Okay, so going back a minute, these these were on sale for 4.80 for this whole pack of cards and envelopes, which I think they're usually like $10, so I thought that was a great deal. And then this stamp set, I was wrong. This stamp set was 10.80 on sale, so I think it was like half price. And this, the dies that went with it were 16.20, which I also think was like maybe $8 or $10 or $20 off, like half price also, kind of thing. So I got those. The embossing folders were on sale for $7.65. I don't know if that's a big discount. I think they're $9 or $10 usually. And then everything else was regular price. These were, where are they? These were $8.50, so a little bit pricey. The Stampin' Blend packs, double packs, are $10, so $5 each. They used to be 9, I remember. So everything's gone up, but that's true everywhere. Stampin' Dimensionals are $4.25, and the glue is $5.50. But at least I got free shipping, and I have compared the prices, even getting a multiple big pack of these, and their price is comparable. I mean, you might save 25 cents somewhere else, but you might end up paying shipping unless you have like Amazon Prime or something. So yeah, and I have other glues also, which I need to stop buying this for a while and start using the other glues. Like, it's not art glitter glue, it's another one called PBA or something. I think I might have art glitter glue still too. So I need to be using those until I use things up, because you know they don't last forever. Even on the dots and stuff, the sticky goes away. And even like with glue dots, I have other brands, I think, of those, or maybe I went to order those and I didn't, because I still have a box of Stampin' Up! Ones. Anyway, so that was my little Stampin' Up! Haul. Not much, right? But you had to spend $75 to get free shipping, and all of this added up to $77. So that was my free shipping day. And then I watched somebody's video, and forgive me, I can't remember who it was, and she had this little corner rounder. Now uh, I have a corner rounder, little ones that I got in a set of 2 years ago from Hobby Lobby, and they work pretty good, but they're separate. There's a 1/2 inch one and a 1/4 inch one. And then I have this thing, but honestly, I'm not in love with this. It's just so big, and I don't know. It's okay. It cuts okay. But this one, the only thing I don't like about it is it's in millimeters, but you know, in jewelry, I had to get used to millimeters. So anyway, I'll show you how it works. It's a corner rounder, and it's got 10 millimeter, 4 millimeter, and 7 millimeter. So here's 10 millimeter. Nice. I like that one. Probably the best. Here's 4 mil. Well, 4 millimeter didn't work so hot. There we go, 4 millimeter. I just didn't have the paper in right, probably. And there's 7 millimeter. And it's lightweight. And I like that the bits come out and I can throw them out right away, because in the chomper thing, I actually have to turn it over in my trash bin and try and, maybe I don't know how to empty it right. I just turn it upside down and tap on it till the stuff comes out. But it has a real nice kind of loose lever. It works well. So I got that from Amazon. I don't remember the vendor. They have different ones that are square also, but they're not all corner rounders. There's other things like regular punches. And then the last thing I got was a surprise, and I got a thank you from Altenew for purchasing from them throughout 2023. And they sent a nice little note, and it's got coupon codes and stuff on the back. Anyway, this is called Delicate Boutonniere, and it's got gratitude with sending you my gratitude, right? Offering sincere gratitude. My attitude is gratitude. And there's the boutonniere, delicate boutonniere. They give you an example. I thought that would be nice to use on note cards, like thank you note cards. And I could say sending you my gratitude or offering sincere gratitude, and then have a thank you stamped on the inside and this beautiful flower colored on the outside. So that's really nice. And their thing is, thank you so much for supporting Altenew this past year. I did buy quite a bit from them earlier in the year, like some of their inks, a lot of their inks, some of their 3 sets of their alcohol markers, which I need to try and use more. Anyway, as a little thank you treat, we've included an exclusive, brand new free stamp sets for you to play with. We know you're going to love it, so don't forget to take a picture and share it on social media with the hashtag AltenewLove. You might just win one of 3 $100 gift certificates. So that would be really awesome if that would happen. Anyway, and the winners will be announced on their blog on February 4th. And thank you for choosing Altenew, blah, blah, blah. And then I won't show you all the coupon codes. Yeah, they start right after Christmas. So, um, but that's what they sent me. So yeah, I'll be playing with that pretty soon. So stay tuned for that. And also, if you watched my video on the fishing tackle box cards, I have these bits left over. And I think today I'm just gonna, instead of putting these away, I'm gonna try and make some um, freestyle kind of cards, maybe with those. I don't know yet. We'll figure it out as we go. I don't know if I'm going to do note cards or A2 cards or what, so I'm going to play with that. That's all I have for now. Thank you so much for watching, and Merry Christmas to all of you, or Happy Holidays if you don't celebrate Christmas, and I will see you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace. Bye for now.